show today is rather special because it's the first time that we've held our own Burmese Cat Club show with a number of other clubs. So this is rather a new and exciting venture for us. We hope it's a success. We've got lots of lovely Burmese here today. I think we've got over 50 entries. People have been very good in supporting the show, and we're of course waiting at the moment to see what the results are later on.
She's a lilac flower. Her name is Susie.
We have a number of specialist judges here today. The show that the club is running is entirely for Burmese and also for household pets. So we've got specialist Burmese judges, and our judges today are all breeders themselves. So they're very, very familiar with what the Burmese should look like and its behaviour, its type, and they are here supporting the show. So our specialist judges are very, very enthusiastic about the breed and about coming to support the show and the club. And without that support, it would make it much more difficult for us to run a show, because although we don't pay our judges to judge for us, we have to cover their travelling expenses, and some may have come from some distance and need to stay overnight the night before the show. So we rely on their enthusiasm and their commitment to the breed to come and supporting the show and keeping it going. We hope that a very positive experience at the show, both for our exhibitors and also for the visitors who are coming in, will mean that more people will know about our lovely breed and more people will want to own Burmese cats and kittens. So we hope that that's one of the outcomes of our show today. So at the moment we're waiting for the overall winners to be announced, and we will have a best adult, a best kitten and a best neuter in the Burmese show. And I don't think I'd like to say at the moment who that could be, so we'll have to wait and see. And the owners of those cats will be over the moon. They will be so excited. So you must come and film.
What I'm doing is judging. People have chosen the best Burmese adult, the best Burmese kitten, and I'm presuming this is the neuter, and they just happen to all be chocolate today. It doesn't always happen that way. So what I've got to do is judge each of them and pick what I think, in my opinion today, is the best overall. Oh, you are. The chocolate female Burmese.
Okay.
And this is the owner. Breeder? Oh, right, owner and breeder. Dr. Peter Collins.
Oh, really chuffed because I don't get to show very often because I'm judging really. So to come out and actually win something is lovely, really. So we won't be out till the autumn probably. So it's what it is really. So it's lovely. And I'm very proud of her. She's a lovely girl. So it's great.